So, trying to talk about jaundice, first of all, you have to understand what is bilirubin. This is because, yeah, bilirubin is very important in it. All right. So, the first question we'll be answering is, what is bilirubin? Okay. So, for what is bilirubin, we have it that bilirubin is actually a yellow pigment and is formed when red blood cells are broken down. It's like a byproduct of red blood cells. Okay. So it's processed by the liver, is excreted in bile. So it actually gives to its brown color and to make your urine yellowish. So most of the times, if you see that, well, don't worry, we'll get to discuss about it. So what's the origin? First of all, you should know that red blood cells usually live for about 120 days. So after the age of, they are broken down in the liver and spleen. So hemoglobin from the cells that are broken down are splitted into what? Hem and globin. All right. So hem is now further degraded by some enzymes into biliverdin. Then biliverdin becomes what? Bilirubin. All right. So types of bilirubin, have the unconjugated one. With this one, basically, it did not even reach the liver for it to be mixed up with glucuronic acid. Do you understand? Then we have the conjugated bilirubin. So everything was actually mixed up in the liver. So it's mixed up with glucuronic acid. But the excretion was the issue. Okay. So that's what we have. Okay, for that introduction. Now moving forward, talking about its transport and excretion is after it now goes through the liver, it moves into the intestine. So gut bacteria will actually convert it into what? Urobilinogen. Okay. So some reabsorption and excretion will occur. So it's excreted in urine as what? Urobilin. So they call that, I think, urobilinogen. The one in feces is known as a stechobilinogen. All right. So that's what we got for that. So some also converted to stechobilin. Okay, in feces. Okay, so that's a very good introduction to what bilirubin is. I think we'll